Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool color lighting for your videos on CapCut PC. You can choose any color that you want, if I can just say that properly. Just going to use green for mine because it's super vibrant and it creates a super cool color. You can choose any color you want, of course. Add in the color on top of the video, but first just right click copy and right click paste, and then you're going to select your clips and you are going to first you're going to go and select the green bit, go to blend mode and choose the linear burn one like so, and you're going to then select both, right click, create compound clip, add it on top of the video, and choose a setting. If you don't want it too harsh, just select soft light or brighten, but if you do want it kind of harsh, just select linear burn, but then kind of adjust it later on, or this hard light one instead. But that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!